If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on Google Pixel 10a, you will need to use a third-party app that allows you to do so, because unfortunately there is no built-in option that allows you to block the access to mobile data for apps. In this case, we can go to the Play Store. Over here we can use search, and of course you can try to search for something like block mobile data or something like that, and you can probably find some example apps. There we go. As you can see, there are many different apps that we can use, and I actually like this one, the NetGuard, so I'm gonna show you how to use this one in order to block the mobile data, but feel free to try anything else that you can find on this list. So let's open it, tap on I agree over here. We need to enable the NetGuard here in the upper left corner by tapping on the switcher and then press OK. We need to tap OK once again, and then in the app battery usage we should be able to go to the NetGuard. Let's try to find it. There we go, let's select it. Over here tap on allow background usage, and we need to set it to unrestricted. And then we're gonna go back. Now in here tap to grant the notification permission. There we go. We have some additional information that you can check out, and once you read them just tap on OK. Also we can find some additional information at the bottom as well. Now, we can simply block mobile data for an app of our choice by tapping on the mobile data icon that we have on the right side. So if I want to block the access to mobile data for the Chrome browser, I can tap over here on the mobile data, and now it's disabled. Now the Chrome browser can only use Wi-Fi. By the way, you can also disable Wi-Fi as well if that's what you need. What is also cool about this app is that we can set the default option to automatically disable mobile data for every app. So if we tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to settings, then over here we can find the defaults, and you can block mobile data in here. If you tap on the switcher, then every app by default will have mobile data disabled. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.